G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing what we're doing here. Obviously we're doing some low level cleaning, heavily soiled area with black mould, but always the three-stage process. We pre-wet it, turn around and have a look behind us. We're getting a pre-treatment put down there. We're putting down a 4.5% SH mix with a soap mix in there. But yeah, we'll get that down, get the floor cleaner out, clean it, and post-treat the areas that's required. You wait till you see the results.